G'day folks, Scott with S&C Livestock. Just thought I'd bring you along. We're at the cattle auction today, just to see how prices are rolling. Just thought I'd do a quick little video for those who have never seen a cattle auction before. And this is what you see. Right now there's 74 head, which means animal, for those who don't know, and they're at roughly 576 pounds.
I do 825, big boys, a nice band of fancy gas, 75. Now 9 and 2, 9 and 2, 9, $2 and 9. One more time, Bill, I was only one bid, $2 and 9, $2.
This market is about 45 minutes from our farm.
75, 28, 75.
It's in Olds, Alberta.
Tom Zuckberg, pen 1 and 28, 75.
It's pretty hard to hold back when you have a cattle addiction and not buy lot after lot. But with the price of feed this year, I guess I gotta sit on my hands and keep myself in check, so I'm not overdoing things. But, we won't be buying anything today unless it's a really good price. But my brother-in-law and sister do have some critters in here. It's a pre-sort sale today, and it's there's just over 4,600 steers and heifers that will come through here. And just thought I'd give you a little insight into what they do with these animals. $1.98 the cash, $1.98, $1.98, $1.98, $1.98. For my neighbors in Saskatchewan, maybe this will let you know what our prices are like here in Alberta currently. There's some good prices here today. There are some steers that are running as high as up to $270.
Got 3 5-weight calves, now boys 3 tons. They're going to be 5-weight calves on 3 head.
For those who don't know, when he says 5-weight calves, he's meaning that they're in the 500-pound range. This is my form of entertainment, I guess. I can come to a cattle auction 7 days a week. Love seeing the prices, seeing how things are faring in the market.
Bottom here, sir, number 6 is a 192. That's going to be MLS, a 192 to the 6 pin for $1.92. Here's some good calves, boys, on the calves leader, $5 buy. $1.95. How about 90? Now one.
Any questions about when they're bringing them to the auction and things like that here in Alberta? Drop me a message, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever. You don't like this kind of content. But for those who do, if you got questions, ask away. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability.
$94 bill, 6s at 193, Snyder 6s at
Alright folks,
193.
I'm just going to sign off, and we'll get you an update on the weekend from our farming operation. This is Scott with S&C Livestock. Have a safe week. Take care.